Okay, made some small changes. Still gotta probably figure out what kind of venting you want over the stove and whether or not this cabinet is necessary. So it depends on what kind of vent you pick out. But we're back to refrigerator, stove, oven combo. You said that you would like to swap out the trash cabinet for a mixer lift cabinet, which I've done so here. Let me pull this up so you can see it. So inside, you can see the mixer lift. This is formerly where the trash was. And then the other change, you wanted a microwave drawer. Put that in the island, centered. And then lastly, these cabinets here are now 15 inches deep instead of 12. You can see the countertop overhang. Everything else stayed the same based on my first attempted drawing. So having said that, my best constructed option, best cabinet option is Star Mark. And this is the range it'll probably fall into depending on the door style you pick. Another semi-custom line, so Star Mark is a full custom line. A semi-custom line, Norcraft, would run between 12 and 16,000. Again, depends on some variables. Cabinet installation would stay pretty consistent. And then to give you an idea of granite or quartz pricing based on 78 square feet of material, let's see the pricing here. Granite starts less than quartz and creeps up to the cost of quartz and can go beyond. But this is a mid-range priced quartz or granite, templated and installed. Obviously, I need to know the specific color to give you specific pricing. So this is all for planning purposes. And as we understand appliances, colors, door styles, and various things, I can formalize an estimate. But this gives you some direction anyways, based on what we have in the plan currently.